what's going on, guys? It's SafeMan4202 at
FireAlarm9200.
I'm at his house, that's right. And I'm also joined by
Aaron First and Jack Williamson54.
That's right. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and test his system. We have a Firelight BG12LX. You can see the LEDs polling. Jack, what's the model number of this again?
Siemens UECS17S.
Okay. We have two monitor modules right here that's doing those
that are
two
very
pole stations.
crooked.
Yeah, it's not my fault. I have my Cat 78 here.
Used to be mine.
Yep.
Got it 3 years ago.
We have a classic up there. This detector is not hooked up.
That's a System Sensor 2551.
Yep. We have my horn strobe right here.
EHS15S, or F, my bad.
Yeah, why not? And then
Johnson Controls BGX101L.
Yep, takes the notifier key.
Over here we have my FOS 6120 and my Silent Night PSDATK.
Yep. You can see the strobe's a little different. Alright guys, so if you have epilepsy, do not watch this, and I'm going to go ahead and pull the BG12LX. And it's pretty loud, so turn on your volume. Here we go. Alright.
I'm gonna go do the FOS 6120 and the T-bar.
Alright. This monitor module right here. Alright, I'm gonna pull the Cat 78, alright? Alright.
Next coding option I want to do is continuous, so I can feel the strobe
Okay.
flash.
Oh, here, let me reset that pole station real quick.
Go ahead and do it.
Sorry, I know it's kind of dark.
It's nighttime.
Here, I'll do the BG10.
It's nighttime. I'm gonna silence it, alright?
Alright, now we're going to do the Cat 78. And now we're going to do the SD355 that I gave to Garrett.
Which takes a little bit to activate.
Yeah, so we're going to use the magnet right here.
Next thing I want to do is continuous.
Okay.
I want to hear all the alarms do continuous so we can get our ears destroyed. Is that the test spot?
Yep. Alright, now we can go ahead and do a system reset. And that is it for this video. Stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, now we're going to go ahead and do continuous, and Jack's going to do this.
Oh my god!
Okay, yep. Ow!
Ow!
You guys are over exaggerating.
Are you okay?
I don't know about you. You must be going deaf, Gary.
Jack noticed me, senpai. Okay, Eric.
Which one?
Read the comment.